In this video, I'll show you how to find Twitch stream key. To find the Twitch stream key, firstly, open an internet browser on your Mac or PC. Go to Twitch homepage and log in with your account. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Creator Dashboard. In the Creator Dashboard, look at the left side menu. Click on Settings to expand it, then choose Stream. In the Stream Key in Preferences section, find the Primary Stream Key option. Click the Copy button next to it to copy your unique stream key to your clipboard. And your Twitch stream key is now copied and ready to be pasted into your streaming software. Make sure to keep your stream key private, as sharing it can allow others to stream on your channel. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.